First, I'm back to chat with Dr. Treacy about glamorous mother and daughter duo, Bianca and Anna. Patrick, can you tell me a little bit about the procedures you're going to carry out on Anna and Bianca today?
A mother and daughter combination, and we often tend to get this in aesthetic medicine, particularly around the time of the daughter's wedding. The mother comes in as well to get a procedure. Mum is coming in to get a laser resurfacing, and this is really a means of almost giving you new skin. It's doing two things. It's ablating off some of the old cells, and it's also going down into the dermis to regenerate new skin.
Instinctively, that sounds a bit like a burn. Is there a risk of scarring?
We've done about 4,000 procedures, and we have probably one minor case of scarring on one person. That's about it.
Tell me a little bit what you're going to do to Bianca. Lip fillers and baby Botox, is that very popular now?
Lip fillers have really become one of the most popular procedures, particularly in patients at the age in their early 20s, during the early courtship years. And this has become very popular as a consequence of people like Kylie Jenner and the Kardashians. So girls will come into you with Kylie Jenner on her phone and
say, I want to look like that.
Yes.
Wow, okay. She seems very young to me at 24. Is this merely a preventative measure rather than treating wrinkles?
If you use Botox before you get wrinkles, you don't get wrinkles. So there's a therapeutic effect and a beneficial effect. So when do you start? So whenever the wrinkles start, if somebody comes in and it's even in their mid-20s, then I don't mind doing it because they'll stay like that for the next 20 or 30 years.
Patrick, we're touching on the idea of young people having it, but what do you say about that notion of an 18-year-old getting Botox for their 18th birthday?
Total nonsense. You know, and it seems to be parents that do this to their kids. I would certainly be totally against it if nobody has any evidence of a line anywhere. Why in God's name would you want to put a chemical into your face?
24-year-old Bianca has been to the clinic on numerous occasions and is keen to further accentuate her lips.
I feel like here my lip filler always stays, but I kind of lose it around here, so I kind of just want them all to look like that. You're laughing at me.
I'm in one of these situations at the moment that I think your lips are almost big enough, but I know that you want them a little bigger,
Okay.
so we'll do it together.
Yes.
And I suppose there's an aesthetic line in my mind that I don't want you to cross, and if you push me a bit further, I'll see it as it goes.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
I'm going to put some lip on it as well.
Yeah.
Much.
Nurse Kira massages Bianca's lips in order to evenly distribute the filler.
They're lovely.
Do you like how we are?
Perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lovely on you.
Thanks very much. Can I just have a small bit in this side?
Just a little bit there, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, there, how's that, Bianca?
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah? You have
Perfect.
that?
Yeah.
Patrick then injects the upper half of Bianca's face with Botox, while next door, Kira applies a topical anesthetic to Anna's skin ahead of her laser treatment.
So you're having it up the procedure all over, Anna?
I am, yeah.
Are you having it close to your eyes?
Not too close, so I've been outside of my eyes.
Okay, so that should work after about 20 to 25 minutes.
Brilliant.
Okay?
So I won't feel pain.
No, you won't.
No.
No.
Thank you. Laser resurfacing uses an intense light beam to correct wrinkles and scars. It may cause some discomfort, and the recipient will be housebound for up to a week afterwards.
How is that, man?
Is it okay, Anna?
Yeah. Okay, so that's what's finished now.
When I was having the procedure, it was really, really hot, And I thought the minute he was finished, the heat sensation would go, but it didn't. It lasted around 10 or 15 minutes after. And the nurse told me that day 3 is going to be my worst day. I'd say, she said that my skin will probably dry and it'll feel sort of like very dry, where I'll have to use extra Vaseline. And I'm going to have to stay in for the next 4 to 5 days, but I will still have friends over. But I just won't be out in the open to dust and pollution, no sun.